Do you feel trapped in a cycle of endless thoughts, unable to escape the loop of overthinking? Imagine breaking free, taking control, and living in the moment. In this video, I'll share powerful tools to help you do just that. Overthinking is a common struggle, impacting millions worldwide. It often feels like you're carrying an endless mental load, replaying scenarios, or worrying about the future. This constant mental chatter can lead to anxiety, stress, and a sense of overwhelm. But the good news is, with the right strategies, you can regain control of your thoughts. Today, we'll explore two science-backed approaches, cognitive behavioral tools and mindfulness techniques. These methods have been proven to help individuals break free from the overthinking trap and achieve mental clarity. Let's dive into these transformative strategies. What is cognitive behavioral? Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is a form of psychotherapy that focuses on the relationship between thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. It is based on the idea that negative thought patterns contribute to emotional distress and unhealthy behaviors, and by changing these patterns, individuals can improve their mental well-being. CBT is structured, goal-oriented, and typically short-term, making it an effective treatment for a wide range of mental health issues, including anxiety, depression, stress, and even physical conditions like chronic pain. CBT involves identifying and challenging unhelpful cognitive distortions like catastrophizing or overgeneralizing and developing practical skills to cope with problems. Techniques may include thought journaling, relaxation exercises, exposure therapy, and behavioral experiments. Why is cognitive behavioral therapy important? Evidence-based effectiveness. CBT is one of the most researched and proven therapies for mental health conditions. It consistently demonstrates positive outcomes for people dealing with issues such as anxiety, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. Empowers individuals. CBT equips people with tools to identify and challenge their negative thought patterns. It fosters self-awareness and self-efficacy, helping individuals take control of their mental health. Practical and goal-oriented. Unlike some other therapies, CBT focuses on specific problems and aims for measurable outcomes. Its structured approach provides clear steps for improvement, making it highly practical. Applicable to everyday life. CBT's techniques are designed to be integrated into daily routines. From managing stress at work to improving relationships, its strategies are versatile and useful across various aspects of life. Focuses on the present. While some therapies delve deeply into past experiences, CBT emphasizes the present, making it particularly suitable for those who want to address current challenges without revisiting traumatic events. Combats cognitive distortions. By addressing distortions like all-or-nothing thinking or emotional reasoning, CBT helps individuals develop a more balanced and realistic perspective. Improves emotional regulation. CBT techniques such as mindfulness and relaxation exercises help individuals better manage their emotions, reducing instances of overwhelming feelings. Reduces relapse rates. By teaching long-lasting skills, CBT helps reduce the likelihood of mental health issues recurring. This is especially valuable for conditions like depression and anxiety. Accessible and scalable. CBT can be adapted to different formats, including individual sessions, group therapy, online programs, or self-help guides, making it accessible to a wide audience. Symptoms of overthinking. Overthinking can manifest in various ways, often affecting mental, emotional, and even physical well-being. Here are the common symptoms. Persistent worry. Repeatedly thinking about the same issue or concern, often beyond what is necessary. Difficulty moving past negative thoughts about the future or past mistakes. Inability to make decisions. Overanalyzing choices to the point of being unable to decide. Fear of making the wrong decision, leading to procrastination. Replaying past events. Constantly revisiting past scenarios, questioning actions, and imagining alternative outcomes. Feeling regret or shame over past mistakes. Excessive self-criticism. Harshly judging oneself for perceived failures or shortcomings. Focusing on flaws and ignoring achievements. Physical symptoms. Difficulty sleeping, insomnia, due to a racing mind. Fatigue, headaches, or tension in the body caused by stress. Let's understand coping with overthinking. Here are the main pointers. Understand and break the overthinking cycle. Recognizing the cycle of overthinking is the first step toward regaining control. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, recommends tracking your thoughts, emotions, and triggers to identify patterns. Awareness helps you pause and redirect your mind, preventing small worries from escalating into overwhelming loops of anxiety. Write to declutter your mind. Journaling offers a safe space to release internal chaos. By putting your worries onto paper, you can organize your thoughts, uncover patterns, and gain clarity. This externalization also creates a sense of relief as it prevents your mind from constantly circling the same concerns. Set boundaries with worry time. Allocate a specific time daily to focus on your worries. For example, spend 15 minutes reviewing concerns and then move on. This strategy creates boundaries, ensuring that overthinking doesn't seep into every aspect of your life. Reframe worst-case scenarios. Catastrophic thinking often amplifies anxiety. Instead of imagining the worst, balance your perspective by asking, what's the best outcome? What's most likely? This practice shifts your mindset, reducing the fear-driven spiral of overthinking. Focus on solvable problems. Distinguish between worries you can act on and those beyond your control. Channel your energy into actionable solutions for solvable issues and consciously release concerns that can't be addressed, freeing up mental space. Embrace mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation encourages you to focus on the present moment, helping quiet your racing thoughts. Guided meditations or breathing exercises reduce the intensity of overthinking and promote a sense of calm and clarity. Anchor yourself to the present. Use grounding techniques, such as the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method, to stay connected to the now. Identify 5 things you see, 4 you hear, 3 you feel, 2 you smell, and 1 you taste. This practice redirects your attention from spiraling thoughts to immediate sensations. Cultivate self-compassion. Replace self-critical thoughts with kind, affirming ones. Tell yourself, I'm doing my best, and that's okay. Practicing self-compassion helps you counter the harsh inner dialogue that often fuels overthinking. Detach from overpowering thoughts. Cognitive diffusion, a technique from acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT, helps you separate yourself from your thoughts. By labeling thoughts as just thoughts, you reduce their power and see them as fleeting rather than definitive truths. Shift focus to gratitude. Gratitude practices shift attention from what's troubling you to what's going well in your life. Each day, list 3 things you're thankful for. Over time, this practice rewires your brain to focus on the positive, breaking the habit of overthinking. Relax your body to calm your mind. Progressive muscle relaxation, PMR, systematically relaxes physical tension, which is often linked to mental stress. By tensing and releasing different muscle groups, you create a sense of relaxation and break the physical cycle of overthinking. Turn rumination into action. Overthinking often thrives on inaction. Take small steps toward resolving your concerns or shift focus to a productive activity. Even minimal action can help disrupt the thought loop and provide a sense of accomplishment. Create a soothing routine. Incorporate calming activities like yoga, reading, or journaling into your daily life. A predictable, relaxing routine can reduce mental clutter, making it harder for overthinking to take root. Overthinking often thrives on a lack of action, where the mind dwells on possibilities instead of making decisions or taking steps forward. This state of inertia can be overcome by focusing on small, actionable goals. For instance, if you're worried about a project deadline, breaking the task into smaller, manageable steps can reduce the overwhelming sense of pressure. By acting on even a minor aspect of the problem, you disrupt the endless loop of analysis and create momentum. Action provides clarity and a sense of control, which are often lost in the fog of overthinking. Over time, this approach trains your mind to prioritize solutions over speculation. The role of self-compassion in overcoming overthinking cannot be overstated. Often, overthinking is accompanied by harsh self-criticism, where individuals blame themselves for perceived shortcomings or failures. Replacing these negative self-judgments with compassionate affirmations can significantly reduce mental strain. For example, instead of thinking, I always mess things up, remind yourself, I'm doing the best I can, and mistakes are part of learning. Self-compassion helps foster a kinder, more forgiving inner dialogue, which not only diminishes overthinking but also boosts emotional resilience. Over time, this shift in mindset makes it easier to face challenges without getting caught up in unproductive thought loops. Gratitude practices offer a simple yet transformative way to combat overthinking by redirecting focus to the positive aspects of life. When you're caught in a cycle of overanalysis, it's easy to overlook the good things around you. Daily gratitude journaling, where you list 3 things you're thankful for, helps rewire your brain to notice positivity. This shift in focus can be profound, as it creates a mental buffer against the negativity that fuels overthinking. Gratitude doesn't just provide temporary relief, it gradually cultivates a more optimistic mindset, making it harder for worries to dominate your thoughts. Detaching from outcomes is a crucial step in managing overthinking, especially for those prone to perfectionism. When every decision feels like it carries enormous stakes, the mind naturally becomes overactive, trying to predict and control every possible outcome. Embracing the concept of good enough can free you from this mental trap. Recognizing that not everything needs to be perfect, and that mistakes are valuable learning opportunities, helps reduce the pressure to overanalyze. This detachment doesn't mean you stop caring, rather, it allows you to focus on the process and effort, which are within your control, instead of outcomes that often aren't.